Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we dig into company reports and uncover the real story behind the numbers. Today we are looking at Acrivon Therapeutics Incorporated, their latest filing from January of 2026. It seems like they had a pretty exciting data update that they wanted to share with everyone. So let us dive in and see what is really going on. Before we get started, if you appreciate getting straight insights from these corporate documents, make sure you are subscribed. And we also have a Discord community linked in the description below where we discuss these filings further. So this report is from Acrivon Therapeutics Incorporated, and it details a corporate webcast and conference call they held on the 8th of January 2026. This event was from about 8:30 to 9 a.m. Eastern Time. The main event here was a presentation by the company's leadership team, followed by a question and answer session. What is really interesting is the actual data that was presented. They released what they are calling the 8th of January 2026 data update. This update contained clinical data on their ACR 368 program and also some initial clinical data for their ACR 2316 program. This is important because it shows the progress they are making in developing new treatments and gives investors a peek at the potential future of the company. It is also worth noting that Acrivon Therapeutics Incorporated has its common stock trading on the Nasdaq stock market, LLC, under the ticker symbol ACRV. This means their stock is publicly available for people to buy and sell, and its performance is closely watched by investors. Now, the filing indicates that Acrivon Therapeutics Incorporated is an emerging growth company. This is a designation for newer companies that allows them some flexibility in reporting and compliance as they grow. It does not necessarily mean anything positive or negative about their business, but it is a status to be aware of. They have also decided not to use the extended transition period for complying with new or revised financial accounting standards, which suggests they are ready to adopt the latest rules promptly. The company mentions that a copy of this important the 8th of January 2026 data update is attached as Exhibit 99.1. This exhibit is incorporated by reference into the report, meaning it is considered an official part of this filing and contains the detailed information about ACR 368 and ACR 2316. The signature on this report is from Peter Bloom, Jensen MD PhD, who is the Chief Executive Officer and President of Acrivon Therapeutics Incorporated. He signed off on the 8th of January 2026, confirming the accuracy of the information presented. Looking at Acrivon Therapeutics Incorporated's situation from a broader perspective, we see a company actively pushing forward with its drug development pipeline. The focus on ACR 368 and ACR 2316 suggests these are key areas of investment and potential breakthroughs for the company. Sharing this clinical data publicly is a crucial step in communicating progress to investors and the wider scientific community. The fact that they are an emerging growth company means they are likely in a phase of rapid development and seeking to establish a strong market presence. While this filing does not contain detailed financial statements for the period, it highlights the company's operational focus, which for a biotech firm is very much about the science and the clinical trial results. The key takeaway here is the advancement of their drug candidates, the success of which will ultimately determine the company's future valuation and success. The risks for such a company are inherent in drug development failures in clinical trials can have a devastating impact on the stock price and the company's prospects. However, successful trials can lead to significant growth and value creation. So the story here is one of scientific progress and the inherent risks and rewards that come with it. Alright, that is our quick decoder of this Acrivon Therapeutics Incorporated filing. What is your take on their clinical updates and what do you think it signals for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives into corporate filings. Don't forget to check out the Discord link in the description. Thanks for watching, see you next time.